Hello, this is look number 2 using Dollar Tree makeup from L.A. Colors, and we're spilling the tea at this tea party. So I went to Dollar Tree yesterday. I was looking for the new L.A. Colors collection that comes out in spring, and when I was there I had filmed, well, previously that day I had filmed a Natasha Denona look, and I was at the cash because I bought some things, and the guy at the cash register, he goes, "So are you a makeup artist?" I'm like, "No, but I used to be a makeup artist. I did. I went to lunch McDonald's here in Vancouver, and I did all the things, graduated, and did nothing with it. But that's life. That's what happens." Anyways, he asked me what I would recommend. He wanted to give his mother and his sister some makeup gifts. So I showed him this palette, and I said, "This is really, really great. I guess you can leave the video now. I just spilt the tea." It's okay. You got to see it in action. You really do. You need to stay. You need to like, and you need to subscribe. And I don't know where I'm looking. I'm blind. Hopefully I was looking at you, because I want to engage with you guys, but you're not engaging. I know I'm new. This is Milk Rise Mascara. It has not grown on me. I don't like it. But I'm using it. I looked for a mascara at the Dollar Tree. I really did, but I follow some Dollar Tree ladies that just do Dollar Tree makeup, and they haven't found one that they like yet. I mean, some of them have, but I am not going to spend $1.75 on a mascara when I have several already. I'm not doing it. So I actually found a foundation that might work for my paper color like skin. Yeah, I was shocked. So I picked that up. I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to find out together. And I'm just going to wear it on a weekend when I'm not going anywhere, just in case. So I'm going to do my brows. Yeah, I was shocked. I was shocked that a guy noticed my eye look. When I filmed that video, I was pretty snappy. I was pretty angry. Just at, I don't know, where YouTube has gone. How over-processed it's become. It's like fast food now. It's just, you have to be Steven Spielberg these days to get any views. And that isn't what YouTube started out as. I know everything starts out that way. Like, we don't know what the platform is, and then somebody gets really creative and starts outperforming everybody, and then it becomes a big competition, and now we're all Steven Spielberg. And I'm not. I'm just over here using what I've got and doing some reviews. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's Ioni's eye pencil. I don't know what I was just talking about, honestly. I turned off the camera. So I did film that video using the Natasha Denona Love palette. It turned out wonderfully. Just did. Oh, I'm using this shade right here. And I'm just placing it on the eye up into the crease. On the lid, I mean. You know, I never used to do that. I used to keep my lid fairly clean. And then I watched a YouTuber and how she placed her eyeshadow, this base one, the transition one, really resonated with me. And so I started doing it. This is going on lovely. Okay, when I was doing that Natasha Denona look, I complained to the heavens. I did. It's a very complainy, bitchy video. I kind of regret that now, but I'm mercurial, I'm Pisces. I'm all over the place. So, it just went on really quite patchy and bad. And I was mad. I was upset. I'm upset about a lot of things, but that upset me. And I spoke about other things in there too. But you're not here for that. You're here to find out if Dollar Tree eyeshadows from L.A. Color are any good. So far, you know what? They're outperforming at least the Love palette, or it could have just been the shades I was using that day yesterday. Totally happy with the look though. Excuse me. I mean, the look was just, I'd go through the pain again. You wouldn't think I would, but you know. I would. This is just this is just going on beautifully. So I'm going to put the green shade all over my lid, right over top of the brown. Oh, anyways, yeah, she really transformed how I did my eye. Like she pretty much made doing my eye looks really easy. I don't know how to explain it, but she really did. It just, you know, when you find the way for your eye shape, anything is possible and easy after that. And I'm so happy that I watched that video. These, like, when I was putting the Natasha Denona on, I was getting fallout everywhere. It wasn't staying on my eyelid. It was just a mess. This should be spilling the tea on Natasha Denona, because there's no tea to spill here. This is wonderful. I'm putting it into the inner corner because I think it'll look really good there. I really like that. So anyways, the guy at the Dollar Tree, when I gave these to him, I thought I was just going to show him the palettes, but he grabbed them and he's like, I'm giving those as gifts. It's like, if you recommend them, I'm giving them out as gifts. Oh, wow. That was a compliment. Because, yeah, I do that, though. Whenever I go to Shoppers Drug Mart, if I see somebody struggling with the makeup in the makeup aisle, I go and help them. I can't help it. And they're always like, do you work here? And I'm like, no. I should, but I don't. And they're like, you're so helpful. That's really sweet. But I love to do it. I could volunteer there, honestly. I could. Just stand around and help people find their makeup. Okay, I think it took me 20 minutes yesterday to get my eye look together. This has taken minutes to do this. Honestly, if you don't want to listen to me blab, just turn the volume down. I'm going to put it like right there. Right underneath, connecting it to the brown. I really like that green color. Ooh, I like this green color. Ugh. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Just gonna add a bit more here. I don't even know if I'll need my Cosmic colors. I don't know. This is doing so well. It's a little bit lighter than I would, or darker than I would like. But yeah, so good. Guys, you gotta talk to me. You do. I'm all alone over here. Please comment things to me. Help me out. Let me know how you feel and all of that. Good or bad, I don't care. I'm over it. Just be nice. Just be nice. You can be critical, just be nice. Alrighty. So there it is. Easy breezy. Beautiful. I cannot. When I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, I bought, I think, 4 eyeshadow quads. And I'm going to be doing a full face of them soon. So this is the finished look using Tea Party. And I don't think there's any tea to spill. You need to run to Dollar Tree to get these. I did see them yesterday when I was there. So go get them. And Cherry Tart will be featured next time in look number 3. Stay tuned. Bye.